Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise App. You click on settings. Here in this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Wise App. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.